Hi, today I'm going to show you a super easy dish, the pan-fried chicken wings in Japanese sweet soy sauce. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. I'm using the flat part of wings only here, but you may use the entire wing, but keep in mind the drumstick part may need longer time to cook. The Japanese sauce Mirin is available in Asian grocery stores. Here is the rock sugar. Boil mirin, soy sauce and rock sugar in a small pot at low heat until sugar melts. Let sauce cool down. Wash and wipe dry the wingettes. Arrange the wingettes in a container. Pour the sauce in. Cover and shake the box for a few times so the wingettes are evenly coated with the marinades. Refrigerate for 6 hours or overnight. Remove wingettes from fridge, drain them from the marinades, and save the marinades. Coat each wingette slightly with cornstarch. Heat up 3 tablespoons oil in pan. Pan fry each side of wingette at medium-low heat for about 2 minutes until golden brown. After about 2 minutes, flip the wingettes over. Pan fry the other side for about 2 minutes. Scoop out the wings, golden brown color like this. Mix 60 gram marinades with 30 grams water and cook the sauce at medium-low heat until boiling. Add chicken wings, cover and cook at medium-low heat for about 2 minutes until sauce dries up a bit. The leftover marinades can be kept in fridge for up to 1 week or freezer for up to 3 months. After cooking for 2 minutes, the sauce becomes thicker like this. Stir to coat wingettes with sauce evenly, then scoop out. Pour sauce on wings. The easy and yummy pan-fried chicken wings in Japanese style sweet soy sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!